Good morning students, welcome to maths time. And in the 9th standard, the chapter we are continue lines and angles. In that 6.1 exercise or 3.1, the fifth problem is in figure POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS equal to half of into the bracket QOS minus angle POS. See here the diagram is given. What is the diagram? POQ is a line. This is a line and OR is perpendicular to line. This is OR perpendicular means this is 90 degree. Then OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. This is OP and OR and this is OS is another ray lying in between these two rays. And we have to prove that angle ROS equal to half of QOS minus POS. We have to prove this angle is equal to half of QOS minus POS. So first of all we have to write down what is given in the problem here. So what is given? First one is POQ is a line. Then second one is QOR is angle. QOR equal to 90 degree because OR is perpendicular to PQ, that is given here. Then what you have to prove? To prove angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Now proof or answer. So first of all we have to prove by using the axioms given in the exercise. So first axiom is POQ is a line. So when we say that POQ is a line, means the sum of angles lying on the standing on the straight line is 180 degree. So the angles are here. Therefore, angle POS plus angle ROS plus angle QOR or ROQ. Angle QOR equal to 180 degree. Now next step is angle POS plus angle ROS plus what is QOR? QOR equal to 90 degree. Substitute 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Write in the bracket because QOR equal to 90 degree, that is given. We have to write the reason here. Then angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 180 degree. Transfer this to right hand side, that is POS plus angle ROS equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. This is assume that equation 1 here. Next is now in QOS. QOS is made up of two angles here. One is QOR and ROS. The sum of these angles is equal to, therefore we can write angle QOS equal to angle QOR plus angle ROS. Now that is QOS equal to, what is the value of QOR here? QOR is 90 degree. Write 90 degree plus angle ROS. We have to write down the reason in the bracket here because angle QOR equal to 90 degree, that is by given data here. Now that is angle QOS. Bring this ROS to LHS. ROS equal to 90 degree. Now this is equation number 2. See here both equation 1 and 2 in LHS is equated to 90 degree. Therefore, we will equate LHS. Therefore, from 1 and 2, that is angle POS plus angle ROS equal to this, and write this one, angle QOS minus angle ROS. Now simplify this one, that is POS minus angle QOS. How? Transfer this right hand side to left hand side, then, or it is better to bring this right hand side to left hand side, that is angle ROS plus angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus transfer this left to right, that is angle POS. That is 1 ROS, 1 ROS. This is 2 ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. That is angle ROS equal to, this is 2 ROS. Then when it becomes to denominator or right hand side, it becomes 1 by 2. That is angle QOS minus angle POS. This is, we have proved the answer here. First, what we have to do? We have to, using the axiom, the angles, these three angles are equal to 180 degree, and we will bring the to the this statement. And similarly, QOS equal to this angle plus this angle. Then when simplifying, we will get second equation. When both equations are equal to 90 degree, we will equate the left hand side. We will get this step. And when we simplify, this is the last step, and we have done, this is the proof. Now the last question in the exercise is, it is given that angle XYZ equal to 64 degree. Actually, the diagram is not given in the textbook. We have to draw that. It is given that XYZ equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects ZYP, find XYQ and reflects QYP. See here, we have drawn a figure XYZ, that is 64 degree. Then XY is produced. This is produced to the point P here. And if a ray YQ, this is YQ, then how it is? It bisects the angle ZYP. That bisects means what? This actually divides the angle ZYP into two parts. That is ZYQ equal to ZYP. Then what you have to find? We have to find ZYP. That is this angle. We have to find out. And reflex of QYP. Which is QYP here? QYP. This is QYP. The reflex means this angle. That is 360 minus QYP is reflex of QYP. So let's start. So what is given here? First of all, we have to write what is given. Given is angle XYZ equal to 64 degree and QY is bisector. Bisector means that is angle ZYQ equal to angle PYQ. PYQ. Then again by using the axiom, that is given XYP is a straight line and the angles on the line are 180 degree, the sum. Therefore, XYP is a line. This is proof. Then, therefore, angle XYZ plus ZYQ or QYZ plus PYQ or QYP equal to 180 degree. Then it is given that XYZ equal to 64 degree. By using data here, we will substitute 64 plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equal to 180 degree. That is ZYQ plus angle QYP equal to 180 minus transfer this 64, that is we will get 116 degree. That is the sum of ZYQ and QYP is 116. See here, the sum of these two angles is 116 and these two angles are equal. Why? Because it is given that YQ is the bisector of this angle. Therefore, but YQ is bisector of angle, which angle? ZYP, angle ZYP. So, therefore, angle ZYQ equal to angle QYP. What it happens? 116 divided by 2, that is 58 degree. So the value of this each angle is 58 degree. This angle is also 58 degree and this angle is also 58 degree. Then what is the next step? First question is what here? First is find the XY Q. Find, we have to write question here, find XY Q, first question, and second question is reflex angle QYP. The first one is XYQ, that is angle XYQ equal to. What is angle XYQ equal to? Sorry, it is not XYQ. XYQ is 58 degrees. So we have find out that XYQ is equal to 58 degree. Then second one is reflex QYP. QYP is how much? QYP is 58. 58 degree. Then reflex QYP is, you have to subtract this angle by 360. From 360, that is you will get 302 degree. So these are the two questions. So this is XYQ is, I think something is wrong here. XYQ equal to XYZ plus angle QYZ. QYZ. XYZ is how much? It is given, that is 64, and QYZ is 58 degree. We have find out. So for 64 plus 58, that is 122 degree. So the first answer is 122 degree and second one is 302 degree. So this completes the 6.1 or 3.1 chapter of exercise of the lines and angles. Next concept is transversal and interior angles and parallel lines we will learn in the next video.